So, welcome to the 8th annual BSide Edmonton. We reached continuity with 8 years. Before I start today, we have the core team today, of the B side who thought about B side, kind of 9 years ago, and then that's how we got it. We have Andrew Mysek here. Raise your hand. Liam Somerville and Joshua Reynolds. He's back. He's our, tomorrow's keynote. Um, Michael Spaulding is here. Um, these are renderman, of course. So, so we have like 15 people used to meet in like 9 years ago, was in the bar and spin up this idea. So I'm not going to speak after that. But I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart, like you should show up here on Monday. So I'll start with the survey, because this is how we improve every year. After the event, we will send you a survey with the email link. It's not a phishing link. It's just a link with the survey. So please take the time to fill it out so we can be better next year. Questions, find a volunteer or stop at registration desk. So if someone you see wearing this t-shirt, then ask them, they will help you. Or if they're not, just come find me. I will be wandering around here. Code of conduct, we have a code of conduct. We just expect you to be the professional and kind to other people. And if you want to read the code of conduct, it's on bsidedmonton.org/coc. Report an issue to volunteer if you feel like there is any. So this year, we have the theme, Cyber Defenders Rising, the good guys are pushing back. Cyber Defender Rising highlights the strength of cybersecurity professionals, ethical hackers, security researchers, and technology leaders who are actively defending systems, data, people from cyber threats. The good guys are pushing back, emphasizes a turning point, a shift from being constantly on defensive to proactively identifying, fighting, and defeating malicious cyber actors. So this is the theme for this year. You have all access pass. You don't need a special pass to attend talks, uh, CTFs, lunch, or any challenge. So no need to check in at the registration desk tomorrow. This pass works everywhere in this facility for BSide Edmonton. Lunch, we put this slide specifically because last year we mess up with the numbers on the lunch. So please only take one lunch bowl. Do not take vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free lunches if that is not what you ordered when you registered. Lunch is available on floor 1 and floor 2. Wherever you want to go, eat, network in atrium, track 2, track 3, CTF area. So some housekeeping things. We have washrooms on the left side, emergency exits, 3 emergency exits in this building. You can see in the map. We have track 1 here, track 2nd and track 3rd on second floor. Sponsors is in atrium. We have on the second 232 is the track 2, 233 is the track 3, and then 234 is the CTF. And we have partners in 242A. So please visit our partners as well. And then if you're a speaker, there is a green room 218 on the second floor. If you signed up for the dinner tonight, dinner will be on Pix Cafe 333. So I would like to thank your sponsors. It's not possible without the sponsorship. Thank you, VM and Cisco. Cisco is continuously every year sponsors. Veeam is also like our regular sponsors. Gold sponsors Arctic Cohesity, and then we have silver sponsors MNP Digital, Tantus, One Identity, Iron Sphere, Object First, Cribble, Abnormal, Netscope, CrowdStrike, Canadian Center for Cybersecurity, KIPS Alberta. And bronze sponsors McEwen University. Thank you, Thomas, for giving us some money. In-kind sponsors NCL, powered by the Cyber Skyline, InfoSec Maps, Hack Defender, Black Hills Information Security, and Hack5. So reason to make sure to see our sponsors, they make this event possible. Without the sponsorship money, there will be no lunch, no recorded talks, no prizes. Fill out your bingo card, enter your information if you want to, because we don't share attendees' information with sponsors. So if you like to share yourself, we're not going to stop you. And enter to win a prize drawing held at the closing ceremony on Tuesday. Sorry, too quick. Reason to make sure you see our partners. B-side is not the only one like talking about security. There are other groups like CHADS, University Cybersecurity Club, Cyber Alberta, Vices, MI Gente Canada Foundation, McEwen University Ethical Hacking Club, Women Cybersecurity Society, Department of Computer Science, University of Alberta. They are also like promoting the security in Edmonton and across the Canada and world. So I would call one of the partner, WCS, Merch Raffle. Anyone from WCS here? Okay. So you want to talk about WCS?
Yes, if you don't mind me taking that. Good morning, everyone. It feels great to be here. I've come all the way from Calgary and to not just be on the panel, but to also just share a few words about WISIS. And so I bring very warm greetings from Lisa Kearney, who is like the lead partner for WISIS. It's a group that supports women in cybersecurity. Obviously, we acknowledge that we have male allies, but we understand the gap that's brewing, and having someone or having a group standing and holding the fort for women in cyber, or women who are wanting to come into cyber in a time like this, is very important. And so just a brief summary of some of the things that's going to be happening over the conference. We will be giving out some prizes, as you can see on the screen. Branded tees, there'll be a package. There will be a QR code that needs to be scanned, I believe. So will that be shared at some point? Okay, perfect. So it's on the badges. So you want to scan those codes to enter. There's also a couple of scholarships. Perfect. Thank you, Nicole. There's also a number of scholarships that are available for free, which include the Google Certificate Scholarship. I believe that we can share some of those links at some point, but I know that WSIS is giving out some of those to participants at this conference. I don't think it'll be transferable, but we know that we are in a time where upskilling is super important. So when you do get those links, please feel free to take advantage of some of these scholarships that are available. Also, please feel free to, don't forget, scan. And if you're on social media, tag WISIS if you do use any of our stuff or find our merchandise anywhere. But thank you so much for having us BSides Edmonton, and looking forward to the rest of the conference.
Okay. We have Chads. Chloe, you want to come in?
Thank you, Harvinder. Hello, everyone. My name is Chloe Kim. I'm the president of Women in Cybersecurity U of A student chapter and the chancellor of CHAD's Cybersecurity Hacking and Digital Security Club. Our clubs host events like industry talks, CTFs, workshops, mentorship programs, and many others. And just 2 years ago, the U of A cybersecurity community was very small, but over the past year, it's grown significantly thanks to our supporters, sponsors, and the amazing work of our exec teams here. And last year, CHADS actually had 200 in-person participants at our annual CTF. So we're really excited to build on this momentum and create more opportunities for students who are shaping the future of cybersecurity. And we'd love to share more about what we're building. And we really appreciate the support that makes this growth possible. So please feel free to check out our booth upstairs or reach out. We would love to connect. And thank you, BSides, for having us. I really look forward to seeing this community grow with students at its heart. Thank you.
We have XX slide. If you wanna come and talk, so Liam, you wanna give? Okay. Yeah, next. Diana Initiative. Nicole is here, so
All right, I know we're in Canada, but I happen to run a nonprofit in the States for underrepresented people to help them either pivot into technology or to get started in technology. So if anybody comes down to Hacker Summer Camp, please check us out. We would love to help you find resources, or if you want to try out mentoring or volunteering, we will totally take your time.
thank you. We have voices. So we have just 2 minutes for you.
Okay, hi, good morning, everybody. My name's Mana Ing, past president of WESIS Western Canada, and with me here is Shri, fellow board member. So WESIS Western Canada affiliate started in 2021. We co-founded it, and it covers British Columbia, Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, Yukon, and the Northwest Territories. It's part of a larger non-global organization called WESIS, or Women in Cybersecurity. And our mission is to help build a robust cybersecurity workforce through recruitment, retainment, and advancements of women in cybersecurity. We're now currently globally 11,000 members, 53% made up of students, so that's a huge percentage. There are a number of initiatives from media, programming for early career, mid, and senior level professionals. And over the past few years, we've ran a number of events. Okay.
Yeah, so we have so many local events, and so we have the booth upstairs. We don't have much time to mention anything. Please join us there. They have a lot of information, and thank you so much for supporting.